Hi guys, today I will show you how I photograph my jewelry. I'm not a photographer, so please keep that in mind, but I'll tell you what I've learned and what works for me. I prefer to use natural light, so I always put my table close to the window and prepare the shooting station there. I also use the tripod, which helps me to take multiple photos in the same position. I love using this 50mm prime Canon lens. It's perfect for product and jewelry photos, lots of light and great image quality. It wasn't that expensive, so if you're looking to upgrade your camera lens, I think that might be a good choice. As background, I often use just a simple piece of nice paper like these two here. And don't forget the props. Anything could be a prop, from jewelry displays to interesting items. These little marble tiles are excellent for pendants and earrings. You can get them at tiles and bathroom shops. For some additional textures, colors and decoration, I use small gems and gemstone beads. Now let me show you how my photography process looks like. I always try to take at least few different photos of the same item. It's better to have more rather than having to recreate the whole thing later on. Here I will show you the importance of the light and what difference it makes in photos. You can use front, back or side lighting. Side lighting is great to emphasize the texture and shapes, but I personally prefer backlighting. I think it looks pretty. Now let's try to use some plants and play a little with flat lace. Those photos are great for social media and blogs. You can get really creative here, anything goes. Try combining different items and layouts. Notice I'm still using the backlight. Let's switch the background to different color and try new items. Try to learn a bit about your camera settings and ideally shoot in manual mode. Don't overexpose your photos or you will lose some details. Here's one more tip, how to deal with that annoying chain. I know it's simple, but it was a lifesaver for me. Use something round to lay out your chain. Literally anything will work. I find the glass to work the best because it's so smooth. And that's all. Hope you've enjoyed today's video and feel inspired to play with your photography. Thanks for watching.